Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to present another video on our lectures on Microsoft Excel, right? So why do we use Excel? Excel actually is very easy to use, primarily when you don't have any idea on data or how to handle the data or how to analyze the data, right? So I do believe Excel is the very best choice to start, right? So within this lecture, I will be here with you to show or present you how to use Excel, right? So this video is for beginners, right? And step by step, after a certain period, you will find yourself as a master, right? So Excel, Microsoft Excel is a basic tools, actually calculation tools or analytical tools, right, which can store the data and clean the data and analyze the data, and you can make a report from this data, right? So this way, uh, you can step by step, actually you can be a master in Microsoft Excel, right? So initially, I do believe you don't have any knowledge, or maybe you have zero knowledge on Microsoft Excel. That is why I'm going to start from very beginning stage, how to open the Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is Dr. Nazmul Hassan, and I would not like to spend or waste any time, right? Just let's start it. Okay, so at the very beginning stage, I believe you have Microsoft Excel on your computer, right? And you can open this in several ways. First of all, if you click here, for example, in start bar, and if you go to the I mean scroll the mouse and downstage, so you will get this one, like Microsoft Excel. So if you click here, so the Microsoft Excel will open, right? Okay, on the other hand, uh, you can, for example, I just unpin from taskbar, right? On the other hand, you can search here, for example, Excel, right? Excel, so you can click here, it will be, it will open, right? On the other hand, maybe you have some desktop, you have the desktop item of Microsoft Excel, and you can double click is in here, right? And in this way you can open. On the other hand, the fourth stage is the, for example, here Microsoft Excel, if you pin to taskbar, right? For example, pin to taskbar, and you will see here the Microsoft Excel icon will be appear, right? Then click here. So in this four way, actually you can open the Microsoft Excel software, right? So when you open the Microsoft Excel, you will have these types of interface first. So today's lecture is about understanding the interface of Microsoft Excel, right? Okay, so this is the first interface. Sometimes we call it, it's a welcome page of Microsoft Excel, right? So basically it's a home page. Okay, so if you see here, basically we are in the home page. Okay, this is the home page. This full, oh, I'm sorry, uh whole part is actually, basically this part is the home page. Okay, there are another option is new, right? So what is new? New, it means you are going to open a new workbook, right? This is the new, that this new and uh, blank workbook is the same function. You can open a new workbook using these two options, right? On the other hand, if you have you have the other option, the open, right? So what is open? Maybe you have some existing file, Excel file, so you would like to open that file from your directory. You can use this open function, right? Here you will see the account function, feedback function, and option function. Okay, and there is the option function, right? So step by step we will learn everything. Okay, so here, please see here, uh, if you would like to get some ready template, in this case, these all are the ready template, right? These all are the ready template. So if you would like to get more templates, so click here, more template. You will find here there are lots of template you will find here, right? So if you are from business domain, click here, business. So you will get this, the business template, right? There are lots of templates in here. On the other hand, go back to the previous option, and if you'd like to get some budget related template, so click here budget. So you will get some budget related template. Go back, for example, chart related template, right? So here you'll find all the templates are chart related, right? Lots of them. By the way, go back. On the other hand, uh, here actually you will find, if you go to the home page, there are another two options. One is recent option and the pinned option. So recent option, actually you will the Excel will show uh, the recent data file or recent data set or workbook, right? For example, for my case, I worked previously in diabetes data set, BBS course completion data file, I mean workbook, right? On the other hand, this other data set, I mean cardiovascular data. Okay, here another option is a pinned data, right? Pinned data, it means you will find lots of data in here or recent file, but everything is not pinned. But I can see only two data set is pinned, right? That is why we can see here that pinned. Maybe in the recent data set you will have lots of file, but you need this one, analytic demographic, this one you need it, right? So just make click pin. When you go to the pin, you will see the analysis demographic, right, data set or workbook. You will see here, I mean pin, so you can find some important file easily. Okay. Okay. Next, if you click the account, you will have you will get the information, the basic information. This is the 21 version, right? The product is activated. Okay, and these are the primary information of my account. If you go to the option, actually there are lots of other options, right? Sub options actually. If you would like to customize the ribbon, we can customize the ribbon from here, right? Step by step, actually, we will learn. Okay, so these all are the options. So in the home page, basically open a new data set, right? Just click blank data set. So after clicking the blank data set, you will get this interface, right? So we are going to introduce with this interface. However, I would like to start from the upper side, right? So please see here. Uh, please see here. There are some icons is in here, right? Actually, it's a quick access toolbar. For example, it's a save option, undo, redo, right? New page, open, some other options. It's a print preview, right? So this is the quick access toolbar. On the other hand, this is the title, right? Title of your workbook. For example, it's a book one because we didn't rename it right yet, right? This is why there's the title. If you'd like to search something, right? In that case, you can search or write something in here, and if you have the internet connection, the search result will appear, right? Okay, at the right corner, this is the window view or Windows options, right? So here you will see this one is a minimize option, this is the maximize option, and this is the close option, right? So if you click here, the close option, the Excel will be closed. This is the minimize, right? On the other hand, you will see the other part. See here, there is another icon, right? This, okay, this one. So this one is basically ribbon showing option, right? Okay, please you see here, ribbon display option. So if you click here, there are three other options. So auto hide ribbon, just click here, the ribbons already auto hide. But if you click in here, so show tabs, right? Here you can see only the tabs, not option. Yeah, sorry, the ribbon, right? But if you click here, show tabs and commands, I mean the ribbon, right? So you will see this one, right? Okay. So from here, I mean the show tabs, so it means these are the tab, right? Okay. So it means the home tab, insert tab, right? So this part, I mean this part, right, is the tab. Sometimes some student actually says that this is the menu options or menu bar. To be honest, in Microsoft XP we said it is a menu bar, but in after 2010 version, right? We can't say it is a menu bar. It's actually tab, right? So there are lots of tab: home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, and blah blah blah. Okay, so under the tab, I mean, this is the home tab. You will see there are lots of others option, right? Under insert, there are lots of other options: page layout, formulas, very others, lots of others options, right? So see here, this called the ribbon part. Okay, these options. Okay, this option actually is called the ribbon. Which one? This part. Okay, this is the ribbon, right? So within this ribbon, actually, you'll see some group, right? So this one is a group, right? This one is the font group. Okay, this one is the alignment group, right? On the other hand, it's the number group. This one is the style group. Okay, it's a cell group, and finally the editing group. So basically we can say these are the group, right? Clipboard, front, alignment, I'm sorry, okay, this one, the alignment, right? And the number, okay, the style, sales, and the editing. It's at the group. Okay, so the orange color is orange color indicates the whole ribbon under the home tab, and the this red colors option is actually is a small group of the ribbon. Okay, uh, in this stage, we will learn, uh, actually step by step, actually we will learn what is the function of clipboard, what is the function of front, what is the function of alignment, what is the function of number, right? Step by step. Okay, so right now, these are, here you can see, draw. Okay, here you can see uh, the A B C D E F G H, right? The text. So actually it's a column reference. These all are the column, right? A column, B column, C column, D column. So how many columns in the Excel actually? If I'm not wrong, 16,384, 84 or 48. I'm quite confused. Okay, so 16,384 columns in the Excel. Okay. On the other hand, these are the, oh, I'm sorry. On the other hand, sorry, draw. So this one is column. Every part is the column, right? And here you will see all these numbers are row. I mean row 1, row 2, row 3. So how many rows in the Microsoft Excel? If I'm not wrong, 10 lakh 48,576 probably. So how we can ensure it? We can ensure it. Please see here. Oh, what's wrong? Not sure. Delete task manager. Okay, so just click your cursor here and press control and click the down arrow. So you can see here 10,084, 10 lakh 84,560, 576 rows, right? So there are lots of rows. So if you see, this is the cell actually. Okay, draw. Think about, this is a column, right? On the other hand, think about, not think about, it's actually, this is the row. Okay, this is the row. So in this stage here, actually the two lines, row and columns, intercept, right? So rows and columns intercept in this cell, right? So this cell actually, we call this is the cell. Okay, so how we can understand which cell we're in here, right? So for example, click here, see here, J12, it means J column 12th row. Okay, click here, O column 7th row, right? In this way we can understand. the row, column, and cell. This total this is the workspace actually, right? For example, we are working in this part, so this is the workspace, workspace. Okay, okay, just come to in the downside. Here you will see sheet 1. So within this sheet we have 10 lakhs 48,576 rows into 1600 sorry 16,384 columns. So in total, please see here, oh my god, lots of, it's a very big number, right? So in total, oh, it's quite difficult to identify how many millions or billions, right? Okay, so in total, this this number of cell in a sheet 1, same in sheet 2, same in sheet 3, same in sheet 2, 3, 4, right? In this way, you can take lots of sheet. Okay, okay. So once again, if I'm going to the section sheet 1, right? This part actually, you will see here, this part, right? Uh, okay, this one here. This part actually is called the status bar, right? Status bar. Why it's called the status bar? If I write something here, if I write something, for example, how can I say? 1 2 5 7 6 8, right, and maybe 500 or 65. So we would like to calculate the sum, average, count, right? If I just select it, right, please see here the average is 97.67, right? The count is 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and summation is 566, right? 500 and please see here 586, right? So please calculate manually. Equal count, count, okay, equal count, this one, uh bracket close enter, please see here 6, okay, just sum, equal sum, manually I am doing it, right? Equal sum, okay, 586, equal average, right? Okay, just select it, bracket close and enter. You'll see same result. Okay, just select and you will see the status, some descriptive statistics. Okay, on the other hand, at the very right corner you will see this is the normal window view, this is the page layout. If I click here, this will the excel will show page by page, right? So page 1, page 2, page 3, like this, and this one is the page break preview, like this, right? Oh my god, it's quite difficult. So when will you have very big data, big data means lots of data, right? And you would like to see some uh, page break view in this way, you can say, but normally we are in here, right? Okay, on the other hand, this is a zoom option, right? So it's the very it's 386%, but usually we take it is 100%, right? Okay, it's 100%. If you make it manually, just click here and you can write here. Now we need maybe 122%. Okay, so this is the normal view, right? So in today's lecture, what we learn, right? So once again, I'm closing this one, right? So go to the Excel once again. This is the welcome page, right, or home page. Here you will find these options. Okay, so if you click here, this is the quick access toolbar, this is the title bar, right? Here is the Windows menu, right? From here you can hide or show the ribbon. So this part is basically tab, right? Several types of tab, and this one, once again I'm just make a drawing, right? So this part actually is a tab, right? Once again, this part is a ribbon, okay, and maybe this one step by step, it's a group, simple group, right? It's a simple group. Okay, uh, okay, it's a simple group. uh, Here is the sorry, is the column, and these are actually the row, right? And when the row and column will intercept, uh, row and column will intercept, then you can say it. This portion is a cell, right? Okay, and here you will see this is the status bar, right? There is a status bar, and finally you will find here the Windows percentage. I mean the view percentage. Okay, this all about the interface of the Microsoft Excel. This is the learning outcome of today's lecture or today's video. Once again, I'm sorry, I just missed someone. This is the cell reference, you know, right? So what is the cell reference? But this one is the function bar or the formula bar. In this bar, actually, we'll write all the functions or formulas, right? So it's all in today's lecture or today's class. So today we learned what is the interface. I mean, understanding the interface of Microsoft Excel, right? So up to the next video, if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, if you would like to know some more things which I didn't mention in my lecture, right, or video, you can write here in the comments box, right? I will try my best to provide the best solution or easiest solution, which will be more effective, right? Maybe you are in a very beginning stage, but after a certain period, just trust me, right? Now, after a certain period, step by step, I'll increase your capability, and after a certain period, you will see yourself is a pro or master user of Microsoft Excel. So after that, just keep me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.